Hey people, today we are looking into a vital aspect of personal well-being that many of us might overlook: protecting our energy from negative influences. It's something that can affect anyone, from any walk of life, and today we'll explore a powerful approach known as the energy reverse method. This method isn't just about steering clear of negativity, it's about transforming how we interact with the world to maintain our inner peace and energy. Let's start by understanding what we mean by energy in the context of our daily lives. When we talk about energy, we're referring to more than just the physical vigor you need to get through the day. This energy encompasses our emotional state, our mental stamina, and even our spiritual well-being. Each interaction we have, each thought we entertain, and every emotion we feel contributes to our energy pool, influencing how we perceive and react to the world around us. It's essential to recognize that energy is a dynamic resource. It fluctuates based on our environment, the people we interact with, and our own inner thoughts and feelings. Positive interactions, like a supportive conversation with a friend or an encouraging thought, can boost our energy. On the other hand, negative interactions, such as a discouraging remark or a stressful situation, can deplete it. Understanding this flow of energy is the first step in learning how to protect and preserve it. Now, let's talk about how negative people specifically can impact our energy. Negative people often carry with them a kind of energy that can best be described as draining or even toxic. They might not always mean to be draining, but their patterns of behavior, such as constant pessimism, criticism, or hostility, can have a significant impact on our energy levels. These individuals might complain frequently, focus on what's wrong in every situation, or could be quick to anger and slow to forgive. Interacting with such personalities can be exhausting because it forces us to expend extra mental and emotional energy to deal with the negativity. Without even realizing it, you might find your mood dipping, your stress levels rising, and your overall energy depleting after being around such individuals. Recognizing these effects is crucial. Once you become aware of how these interactions affect you, you can begin to implement strategies to minimize their impact. Awareness itself is a form of protection, as it warms you with the knowledge you need to make conscious choices about whom you spend your time with and how you manage your energy. With our understanding of what energy is and how it can be influenced, we can now dive into the first principle of the energy reverse method: awareness. Awareness is your first line of defense against energy drain. It involves becoming highly attuned to your own energy levels and recognizing the early signs that something, or someone, is impacting them negatively. Start by regularly checking in with yourself throughout the day. Ask yourself questions like, how am I feeling right now? Is my energy higher or lower than it was earlier in the day? What changed? By doing this, you can begin to notice patterns. For instance, you might find that your energy dips after certain meetings or interactions, which can be a clear indicator of where your energy vulnerabilities lie. Developing this kind of self-awareness allows you to make proactive decisions. If you know certain situations or interactions are likely to drain your energy, you can prepare ahead of time by setting mental boundaries or planning short breaks after such encounters to replenish your energy. Awareness isn't just about knowing when your energy is low. It's about understanding what affects your energy and how you can respond effectively. Building on our awareness, the next step in the energy reverse method is setting boundaries. Effective boundary setting is crucial for maintaining your energy when dealing with negative people. It's about knowing where your limits are and feeling confident to communicate and enforce these limits as needed. Setting boundaries might involve physical space, like choosing not to sit next to someone who drains your energy. It can also be about emotional and mental space, such as deciding not to engage in or prolong conversations that leave you feeling exhausted. The key here is to communicate your boundaries clearly and respectfully. You don't need to provide a detailed explanation. A simple "I need to step back from this conversation" or "I have another commitment" can suffice. It's important to remember that setting boundaries is not about avoiding all negative interactions. Sometimes, they are unavoidable. Instead, it's about managing your exposure to negativity so that it doesn't overwhelm your energy reserves. Boundaries are not walls, they are the gates that allow you to control what influences your energy field. Having established a strong foundation of awareness and having set clear boundaries, It's now time to learn about reversal techniques, which are at the heart of the energy reverse method. These techniques are designed to help you not only block negative energy, but also transform it into something positive that reinforces your energy levels. One effective technique is visualization. When you encounter negative energy, take a moment to visualize it as a gray cloud that you can see yourself pushing away or transforming into something harmless like floating bubbles. This mental image helps in detaching emotionally from the negativity and reduces its impact on your emotional state. Another powerful technique is grounding. This involves practices that bring you back to a neutral, stable emotional state. Simple grounding exercises include focusing on your breath, feeling your feet firmly planted on the ground, or engaging in a brief walk. Grounding helps reset your emotional balance and clears your mind, making it easier to maintain your energy levels in the face of negativity. These reversal techniques are not just reactive measures, they can also be integrated into your daily routine to strengthen your resilience against negative energy. Regular practice makes these techniques more effective and your responses more automatic, giving you a continuous shield against energy drains. Moving beyond immediate reactions to negativity, the next step in the energy reverse method involves building what we can call emotional immunity. This is your long-term defense mechanism against the draining effects of negative people and environments. Building emotional immunity starts with nurturing positive emotions. Activities like practicing gratitude, engaging in hobbies that you love, and spending time in nature can significantly boost your emotional and mental energy. These activities fill your energy reserves, making it less likely that negative interactions will deplete you completely. Mindfulness and meditation are also crucial in building emotional immunity. By regularly practicing mindfulness, you can enhance your ability to remain present and detached from negative thoughts and emotions. This doesn't mean ignoring negativity, but rather recognizing it without allowing it to dominate your emotional landscape. Consistency is key in building emotional immunity. The more consistently you engage in these positive practices, the stronger your emotional resilience becomes. Over time, you'll notice that negative interactions have less power over you, and maintaining your energy becomes increasingly effortless. Another vital aspect of maintaining your energy in the face of negativity involves paying close attention to your physical health. Our physical condition directly influences our emotional and mental states, making it essential to cultivate habits that support our overall well-being. Firstly, regular physical activity is crucial. Exercise not only improves your physical health, but also boosts endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Integrating activities like walking, yoga, or any form of exercise you enjoy can help maintain your energy levels and reduce the impact of stress. Equally important is your diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can provide the necessary nutrients to fuel your body and mind. Avoiding excessive caffeine, sugar, and processed foods is also beneficial, as these can lead to energy spikes and crashes, making you more susceptible to emotional disturbances. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Sleep is a critical component of energy management. It not only restores your body, but also helps in processing emotional experiences and stress. Ensuring you get enough rest can be a game changer in how effectively you handle negative environments. With the foundations and personal habits well established, it's crucial to apply these principles specifically to high-stress environments. Whether it's a challenging workplace, a demanding social setting, or any other scenario filled with negative energy, the strategies you've learned can be adapted to maintain your calm and protect your energy. When entering a high-stress environment, preemptively plan to utilize your reversal techniques. This could mean setting mental boundaries before even arriving, preparing yourself with a few minutes of meditation or deep breathing to establish a calm baseline. During interactions that test your limits, actively employ grounding techniques. If you feel overwhelmed, excuse yourself for a moment, engage in deep breathing, or take a brief walk. These small breaks can significantly reset your energy and allow you to approach the situation more effectively. The key in these environments is not just to survive, but to manage effectively without letting external pressures diminish your energy reserves. By consciously applying these methods, you protect not only your emotional and mental health but also enhance your ability to perform and respond optimally. While we continue to develop our skills in protecting and managing our energy, it becomes important to think about the long-term aspects of energy management. Long-term energy management is about integrating the practices and principles we've discussed into a sustainable routine that supports your well-being continuously, not just in moments of acute stress. Consistently applying the techniques of awareness, boundary setting, and reversal methods will naturally start to form a buffer against negative energy. However, to truly maintain this buffer, it's beneficial to regularly assess your energy practices. This means periodically reviewing what's working and what isn't, and being open to adjusting your strategies as your life and circumstances evolve. For instance, as you grow in your career or personal life, you might find new challenges that require different energy management techniques. Another aspect of long-term energy management involves cultivating environments that inherently support positive energy. This could include organizing your living and working spaces to reduce clutter and enhance calmness, or it could involve choosing to spend more time with people who uplift and energize you. The environment around us has a profound impact on our energy, and consciously shaping these environments can significantly support our energy management efforts. To wrap up, we've covered a comprehensive method for protecting your energy from negative people using the energy reverse method. Starting from understanding the dynamics of personal energy, to developing awareness, setting boundaries, employing reversal techniques, and ensuring physical health, each step is designed to help you maintain a strong, resilient energy field. The journey to effective energy management is a personal one. The techniques and principles we've discussed are tools that can be tailored to fit your specific needs and situations. The more you practice and adapt these strategies, the more adept you'll become at protecting your energy and enhancing your overall quality of life. Thank you for taking the time to explore these techniques. Your energy is a precious resource, and learning to protect and manage it is a powerful step towards living a more balanced and fulfilling life. Keep practicing, stay aware, and continue to nurture environments that support your best self.